So, I know this is something that's been discussed for a really long time now. And it's going to be all kinds of horrible because, I don't know, I don't feel like using my camera. That's a lot of work. I don't have any clean SD cards. I'm too lazy to go dump them on, well, what barely computer I have at home. So, screw all that. But, it's time to finally film something. It's time to finally put together some diet life and diet life drinking advice for people. So, oh look, there's just Real Gnarly stickers everywhere in the yard. Adorable. Shout out to Tim at Real Gnarly. Oh, it won't let me change over. Real Gnarly. Alright, I'm gonna carry these groceries in and I'll see y'all on the inside. So I can't wait to be mad about this because some of this is in landscape, some of this is, not because front camera, back camera. Thanks, iPhone. Alright, let's put some groceries up. Do that. Yeah. Saving grace of my diet life. Figured before I put everything up, here's a little tour of what we're planning for the week. Got bacon for breakfast. I got some eggs already in the fridge. No point pulling them out to be like, hey, look, I got eggs too. So we're gonna have bacon and eggs for breakfast all week. For lunch this week, I picked up some of these. I kind of like them. They're not bad. They're really delicious. They season up well. And they got a little bacon in them. They got a little cheese in them. Who doesn't love bacon and cheese? I got some fixings here because I'm going to make myself a keto cocktail while I'm cooking myself dinner tonight. Which this is part of my dinner. This is part of my dinner and part of some other stuff for later this week. I got some mashed cauliflower. Gonna make a loaded mash. Can't wait. Excited. Got some cheese to go on top of my burgers so I can get my calories up for the day. And then I got a flat iron steak sitting inside there right now, getting up into room temperature so I can cook it later on because I'm gonna have steak, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts for dinner tonight. And then spread those leftovers out with my burgers later on this week. Yeah, can't wait. I hope you're as excited about this as I am. So we're going to try to make a cocktail, and I have no clue what I'm doing, so this is going to be a total adventure.
Yeah, let's get the pulsing. Something tells me I'm supposed to have this whole covered up or something.
All right, let's see how it tastes, though. Yeah, it tastes like minty fruit and bourbon. It's definitely a cocktail, and it's definitely gonna get me drunk. So back. Yeah, I got a completely different shirt on. Kind of drank a couple cocktails and fell asleep after taking a shower. So yeah, it's like midnight and we're gonna start all this. All right, I gotta cook up 2 packs of bacon. There's a lot of bacon out there you can get. I bought the cheap bacon because, well, I'm broke right now. I'd like to have some, ooh, nice, right, thick cut, but oops. Yeah, you gotta do what you gotta do, right? All right, let's see if we can find some. This is so bad. Mental note, if you're gonna be filming while you're cooking, probably have your phone charged. Well, still cooking bacon. Still cooking up bacon. Yeah, you know what it is time for though? Yeah, Poncho's weird. Yeah, now we're cooking steak. I feel like I should be providing insight to how to do these things. So I know some of y'all like to know, oh, how many minutes aside on a steak? Till it looks like it's ready to be flipped. I'm sorry. No 2 pieces of meat will ever be the same. No 2 cuts of meat will ever be the same. There is no set cooking time. You have so many variables. Alright, we about ready to flip this bitch. I'm gonna stick a fork in that. We're gonna get our fork stuck in that. We're gonna flip it over just like that. Yeah. Yeah, look at that steak. I'm gonna cook these Brussels sprouts. Alright, I pull this off to rest. And now here in a second, we're gonna cut to a different angle and I'm gonna show you what I like to put on steak because steak is awesome. Oh, could that be my homie Butter? Oh, oh, look at you. Hanging out all over my steak. Ooh, Brussels sprouts are done. Yeah, you know what that means? It's time for the cauliflower. Yeah. Oh shit, no, that's straight bourbon. Nope. Forgot to put my mixer in my mix drink. Hey, middle note, if you're doing this, don't forget to put your mixer in your mix drink. So, apparently after that last clip, I went and sat down on the couch. I put the cauliflower in the microwave. I made it through like the second stir. I made it through my drink I made. And so yeah, I woke up halfway on the couch, halfway on the floor at like 6 o'clock this morning. Never ate anything, never cut the steak. Oh man. Yeah. So, shout out to Weller. You won last night. You were the real MVP. I'd like to give a shout out to my white beard hair. I'd like to give a shout out to Bert and Seva for accidentally letting me borrow their kitchen last night. And yeah, now I'm gonna hate my life and go clean a kitchen.